girls under 18. The gold goes to Adeline Nithong of St. Mary's High Secondary School. The silver goes to Nicole Dora Lindor of St. Anthony's High Secondary School. And the bronze goes to Soda Wanki Suchang of H. Arias High Secondary School. 100 meters boys under 18. Rinaldi Dar of H. Arias High Secondary School. Dame Bansan Garrett P. Rimbai of St. Edmund's School. And Adrian Wankitbok Karmi of St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Medley Relay, girls under 16. The gold goes to St. Mary's High Secondary School. The silver goes to Loreto Condon. And the bronze goes to Assam Rifle Public School. Medley Relay, boys under 16. The gold goes to St. Anthony's High Secondary School. The silver goes to Moffat Presbyterian High Secondary School. And the bronze goes to Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School. Long jump boys under 18. The gold goes to Meshua Lindor of St. Edmund's School. The silver goes to Damanba L. Wardry of St. Edmund's School. And the bronze goes to Mukran Crow of St. Anthony's High School. Request Mr. Robinson Rintathiang, the meeting manager of the Chief Minister District Level Interschool Athletic Meets 2023, to kindly distribute the prizes. And he will be escorted by Larihun Akor Velimngam. "100 meters, girls under 18. The bronze goes to Sudawanki Sucham of H. Arias High Secondary School, and she clocked the timing of 18.17 seconds. The silver goes to Nicole Dora Lindor of St. Anthony's High Secondary School, and she clocked the timing of 14.15 seconds. And the gold goes to Adeline Nithong of St. Mary's High Secondary School, and she clocked the timing of 14.08 seconds. "100 meters boys under 18. The bronze goes to Adrian Wankitbok Karmi of St. Anthony's High Secondary School, and he clocked the timing of 11.91 seconds. The silver goes to Dame Bansan Garrett P. Rimbai of St. Edmund's School, and he clocked the timing of 11.72 seconds. And the gold goes to Rinaldi Dar of H. Arias High Secondary School, and he clocked the timing of 11.60 seconds. Medley Relay, girls under 16. The bronze goes to Assam Rifle Public School, and they clocked the timing of 2 minutes 54.87 seconds. And the silver goes to Loreto Convent. And they clocked the timing of 2 minutes 52.52 seconds. And the gold goes to St. Mary's High Secondary School. And they clocked the timing of 2 minutes 46.98 seconds. Medley relay boys under 16. The bronze goes to Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School, and they clocked the timing of 2 minutes 27.47 seconds. And the silver goes to Maupat Presbyterian High Secondary School, and they clocked the timing of 2 minutes 21.54 seconds. And the gold goes to St. Anthony's High Secondary School, and they clocked the timing of 2 minutes 12.77 seconds. Goes to Mukrang Kru of St. Anthony's High Secondary School, and he jumped the distance of 5.67 meters. The silver goes to Damanbha El Wajdi of St. Edmund's School, and he jumped at the distance of 5.89 meters. And the gold goes to Mishwa Lindo of St. Edmund's School, and he jumped at the distance of 5.92 meters. Athletes, please come forward for the group photo.
Now look here, okay? Boys, yes, High Secondary School, Iboklang Nongri. He cleared a height of 1.49 meters. Winning silver medal For St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Ronnie F. Surong. He cleared a height of 1.53 meters. And winning the gold medal for St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Ezekiel Kraubor Basayamoy. He cleared a height of 1.6 meters.
Move on.